the distance. And the race is on. Unpredictable roly-poly double play down on the inside. Stay at home, ma'am. Unpredictable roly-poly double play. Rushing about the outside is Puppies. Diamond. Stay at home, ma'am. Running by Daryl. Dare to Dream. And Dico. Akalain is the early trailer. Unpredictable by some 2 lengths, followed now by Puppies. Diamond. Roly-poly is racing third by Daryl. Double play alongside. Down on the inside. Dare to Dream. Stay at home, ma'am. And Dico Akalain. Nearing the far turn, Unpredictable by some 2 lengths. Puppies. Diamond. Roly-poly is racing in third by some 2 lengths by Duralis. Double play as they race the last 500. Unpredictable. Puppies. Diamond. Roly-poly on the outside. Double play down on the inside as they race the last 250. Unpredictable still the leader. Double plays now running in second. Roly-poly. Puppies. Diamond. And nearing the finish line, it's still Unpredictable by some 5 lengths. And finally, Jesse Apelido on Unpredictable. Second, double play. Puppies. Diamond. Roly-poly. Number 2, Stay at home, ma'am. Di ko akalain. Dare to